Good morning, children. Now we will move to the next topic of this chapter, second chapter, and this topic is the First World War and the effects of the First World War. This is given on page number 12 of your textbook. Now we have studied in the previous video what were the reasons about the First World War. Okay, कौन से reasons की वजह से this First World War had been started. Now what had happened during this war time? हुआ क्या था? Isn't it? That we will see. See, the war was being declared in the previous video. Again, I'll repeat that we have studied that the Prince of Austria had been assassinated. Okay, and Austria had been blaming Serbia. Okay, but the Serbian people they denied कि हमारे यहाँ से किसी ने भी ऑस्ट्रिया के प्रिंस को नहीं मारा है. Okay, and this way Austria had attacked Serbia. So this was the first, we can say, the two countries between which the First World War had been started. Now during this World War there were two groups, if you remember, the Allied group and the Axis group. In the Allied group there were 24 nations involved, so we can say it was a very big group. And on the other side, that was Axis group. On the Axis side there were only 4 nations. Okay, now in this also Germany became victorious in Europe. ये भी हमने पढ़ा था कि Germany was a very strong nation और उन्होंने इंग्लैंड की तरह ही नियरली पूरे एशियन एंड अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज के ऊपर कब्जा जमाए रखा था. जर्मनी वॉज अगेंस्ट फ्रांस, isn't it? फ्रांस के अगेंस्ट में था जर्मनी. जर्मनी एंड फ्रांस वर ऑन द ऑपोजिट साइड एंड जर्मनी हैड टोटली ruined द फ्रेंच आर्मी. उन्होंने पूरी फ्रेंच आर्मी को ख़त्म कर दिया था. इवन मैनी सबमरीन शिप्स डिस्ट्रॉयड. ओके, सो मैनी शिप्स वर बीइंग डिस्ट्रॉयड बाय जर्मनी. Soldiers and civilians died because of poisonous gases and tanks. This was happening during the First World War. Okay, उस टाइम पे कितने सारे लोग, soldiers and civilians, were dying in this war, and poisonous gases were being spread out in the air. उसकी वजह से भी लोग मर रहे थे. Bombardments were being done through the tanks. उसकी वजह से लोग मर रहे थे. Okay, now what was happened in 1917? Russian Revolution started and Russia was a big country. Russia में ही अपना अंदर ही अंदर something wrong was going on, we can say, and Russian people were against their own we can say government. वो हम next topic में पढ़ेंगे. So उस टाइम पे रशिया जो पहले involved था, Russia withdrew himself, we can say, from the war. अब जैसे ही रशिया ने विड्रू किया, जर्मनी ऑन द अदर साइड बिकेम वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. जर्मनी ड्राउंड अमेरिकन स्टीमर लुसिथेनिया इन विच 147 अमेरिकन सोल्जर्स डाइड. ओके, उस टाइम तक वी कैन से अमेरिका डिड नॉट पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द वॉर, बट जर्मनी ने फिर भी क्या किया, अमेरिकन का एक स्टीमर था, स्टीमरशिप, जिसमें 147 सोल्जर्स थे, अमेरिका के सोल्जर्स. उन्होंने पूरा वो स्टीमर को ड्राउन करवा दिया Germany ने. So now America became very angry, we can say, and so America also entered the war in the year 1917. Now countries like Panama, Greece, Cuba, China and Siam also joined. Allied group became stronger. ये सब countries slowly and gradually started joining the Allied group, and Allied group started becoming very stronger and stronger. In September 1918, Bulgaria joined the Allied group, and in October 1918, Austria joined the Allied group. You can see one by one the countries started joining the main groups. तो धीरे धीरे उनका पावर बढ़ता गया. Now Allied group had become very very strong. अब जब Allied group strong बन गया तो Germany could not withstand the Allied group, and at that time German leader Kaiser abdicated his position and ran away. तो अब जो पहले से ही अलाइड ग्रुप में इतने सारे नेशंस थे, आई हैव टोल्ड यू 24 नेशंस, और उसके अलावा और भी और नेशंस ज्वाइन होते गए. तो अलाइड ग्रुप बिकेम वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, एंड ऑन द अदर साइड जर्मनी के साथ सिर्फ 2 या 3 कंट्रीज थे. तो नाउ जर्मनी बिकेम लिटिल बिट वीकर. तो जर्मनी का जो किंग था या लीडर था काइजर, उन्होंने अपना पोजीशन छोड़ के ही रैन अवे. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस जैसे ही वो भाग गए, जर्मनी डिक्लेयर्ड और वी कैन से सरेंडर्ड themselves. Okay, so Germany signed a ceasefire agreement at 11 a.m. on November 11, 1918. Again, this is a picture of World War One. Okay, so जैसे ही that leader went away or he ran away and Germany surrendered, this First World War had an end. अब end तो हो गया, but we will see so many nations were involved. Just imagine the effects of this world war. कितना सारा नुकसान हुआ होगा to all these countries, the countries of Allied and Axis group. Now the first one, the result was the destruction of men and material. Approximately 6.5 crore people took part. Just see, इतने सारे लोगों ने World War One में participate किया था. The soldiers were involved. And nearly 2 crore people were injured. 70 lakh permanently handicapped. Okay, इतने सारे लोग handicapped हो गए थे. Then death also due to starvation and diseases. You know, these countries made the other country economically ruined. So people were starving of hunger and diseases were being spread out around in these countries. So people were dying of these we can say starvation and diseases also, and even the expenditure went on high and high. तो उनको economic loss भी बहुत सारा हो रहा था. Now what after the war, what was the social change seen over there in these countries? What had happened? Men had gone on war. So many soldiers, all were men. So these men used to go on war, and women had to take the responsibility of their homes, to take care of their children. So all the responsibility were being handled by women. So what slowly and gradually the self confidence of women enhanced. धीरे धीरे women का जो self confidence पहले नीचे था, अब धीरे 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 जैसे ही responsibilities आती गई, संभालते गए, तो उनका self confidence भी बढ़ता गया. Demand for women to exercise their franchise race. Now women को इतना हो गया कि हम अपने franchise मतलब हम अपना हक मांगे, isn't it? So slowly and gradually the women started asking for their own rights. Production of necessary things decreased. I told you the economic condition of the countries was going very down. So factories were being closed down. और जैसे ही factories बंद हो रही थी तो production भी धीरे धीरे कम होता गया. तो जो भी ज़रूरत की चीज़ें थी वो अब मार्केट में अवेलेबल नहीं होने लगी. So scarcity of things. मार्केट में चीज़ें नहीं आएंगी तो what will happen? उनका भाव बहुत बढ़ता जाएगा. फैक्ट्रीज बंद हो गई तो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रॉब्लम आ गया. स्टार्वेशन, हर चीज़ महंगी होती गई, बहुत महंगी होती गई, या मार्केट में अवेलेबल ही नहीं थी. द पीपल वर डाइंग ऑफ हंगर. स्ट्राइक्स वर देयर, लॉकआउट्स वर देयर. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स वर सीन इन द कंट्रीज. People suffered and children's condition was very pathetic. All the people were suffering, so many countries, and all the people, a very terrible condition, or we can say a very miserable condition of the people or the women and even the children. The men used to go into the war. So many people died in the war. Now, after this, we can say, जब Germany हार गया था, तो what was there? A big agreement was being signed, and that agreement was known as the Treaty of Versailles. That was being signed on 28th June 1919. Okay, now what was there in this Treaty of Versailles? Now the Allied nations signed a peace process, and in that 58 commissions and 145 sessions organized. जो भी Allied groups थे, जो जीत गए थे इस war में, they joined hands together and they signed an agreement, and that agreement was known as what? Peace process. उसमें 58 commissions were involved and 145 sessions. इतनी बार meetings किया, and then they made a peace process agreement. Agreement with Germany at Mirror Palace at Versailles. अब Germany के these allied nations made an agreement with Germany. Germany हार गया था. Okay, so now these allied nations forcefully asked Germany to sign an agreement. Okay, and this agreement was being signed at Mirror Palace. The name of the palace was Mirror Palace, which was located at Versailles. So that's why this agreement is known as Versailles Treaty or the Treaty of Versailles. Now in this treaty, in this agreement, there were 4 provisions. 4 मेन प्रोविजंस थे. द फर्स्ट वन वॉज द रीजनल अरेंजमेंट, कि अब जर्मनी हार गया है तो जर्मनी को कैसे बांट कर उनके जो हिस्से हैं, जर्मनी के हिस्से हैं, किसको दिए जाएंगे, कौन रूल करेगा जर्मनी के हिस्सों पर. रिडक्शन इन ट्रूप्स एंड डिसआर्मामेंट, जर्मनी के सब ट्रूप्स, आर्मी को कम कर दिया जाएगा और उनके आर्म्स भी या वेपन्स भी जर्मनी से ले लिए जाएंगे. गेन्स एंड वॉर फाइन अरेंजमेंट, कुछ देना है जर्मनी को या उनके ऊपर कितना फाइन लगाना है. दैट वाज आल्सो द एग्रीमेंट, थर्ड एग्रीमेंट, कि कितना फाइन लगाया जाएगा जर्मनी के ऊपर. एंड सम अदर प्रोविजंस. नाउ जर्मनी वाज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस वॉर. जर्मनी को पूरा दोष दिया गया कि द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर हैपेंड बिकॉज ऑफ जर्मनी, एंड सो अ फाइन ऑफ 6.5 बिलियन वॉज लेड ऑन जर्मनी. जर्मनी के ऊपर कितना फाइन लगाया गया एट दैट टाइम, उस टाइम के 6.5 बिलियन. जस्ट इमेजिन द बिग अमाउंट जो उनके ऊपर फाइन लगाया गया. नाउ जर्मनी ऑल्सो हैड टू गिव द रीजन ऑफ रूर टू फ्रांस. जर्मनी का एक रीजन है रूर रीजन, वो पूरा हैंड ओवर कर देना पड़ा टू फ्रांस. Now even the Rhine river opened for international sea routes. Okay, the river passing through Germany, that was being opened out and it was open for all the countries. पहले जर्मनी ने उसको लॉक करके रखा था. Now it had been opened for international sea routes. Mineral rich regions given to France for 15 years. जर्मनी के भी जहाँ जहाँ से मिनरल्स मिलते थे, वो पूरे रिच mineral rich regions were given to France, and that too for 15 years. Germany had to give coal and iron annually to France and other allied nations. जर्मनी को हर साल इतना सारा कोल और आयरन देना था टू द फ्रांस. ओके, एंड अदर कंट्रीज ऑल्सो, अलाइड कंट्रीज, जो जीते हुए कंट्रीज को जर्मनी सप्लाई कर रहा था कोल एंड आयरन. सो स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली जो जर्मनी इतना पावरफुल था, नाउ इट वॉज गोइंग ऑन बिकमिंग इकोनॉमिकली बैकवर्ड और यून्ड, वी कैन से. जर्मन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस वर कन्फिस्केटेड, जो भी उनके बड़े बड़े ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस थे पूरे जब्त कर दिए थे अलाइड नेशंस ने. एलेस्के एंड लॉरेन रिटर्न टू फ्रांस. जो पहले जर्मनी ने ये 2 एरियाज कब्जा कर दिया था, नाउ दीज एरियाज, द रीजन्स ऑफ एलेस्के एंड लॉरेन, these regions were returned to France. Germany forced to sign all terms and conditions. All these was being forcefully laid down on Germany, and Germany had to sign all these terms and conditions which was being laid out in the Treaty of Versailles. Now because of this treaty we can say Germany economy totally failed. धीरे धीरे पूरी जर्मनी का इकोनॉमी खत्म हो गया या बर्बाद हो गया जर्मनी economic wise. Now the last one, the long term effects. Now the felling of revenge, those countries who lost and signed the treaty. Now what had happened, a feeling of revenge came. जो भी हारे हुए देश थे उन्होंने एक ऐसा था कि एक तो पहले से ही हार गए थे, ऊपर से उनको इतना फाइन भरना पड़ रहा था, उनके रिसोर्सेस ले लिए जा रहे थे, तो नाउ अब उनमें बदले की भावना जाग रही थी कि स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली उनके अंदर ही अंदर वापस से ये था कि हमको अब बदला तो लेना ही है. सोशलिस्ट रशिया नॉट गिवन प्लेस इन लीग ऑफ नेशंस. इसके बाद लीग ऑफ नेशंस बनाया गया पर रशिया को उसमें प्लेस नहीं दी गई. ओके, व्हाई? बिकॉज रशिया हैड विथड्रू फ्रॉम द वॉर. तो लीग ऑफ नेशंस जब बना, यूएन जब बना, तो रशिया वॉज नॉट गिवन एनी प्लेस इन दैट. America did not join the League of Nations at that time. And the last one is said that reason for the Second World War is in the peace process of the First World War. तो they are saying कि 1914 में तो First World War ख़त्म हुआ, ये peace process साइन किया गया. They are saying अब जो लोग हैं वो यही बोलते हैं जो peace process agreement साइन किया गया था या Treaty of Versailles बनाया गया था, these were the reasons for the Second World War. Okay. Okay, now this full topic is on page number 12. You can go through. Again I'm saying this can come in 4 marks question. Okay, what describe the First World War and the effects of the First World War. Okay, thank you children. Have a nice day.